Sauce on me. I got drip. I got flood the wrist. It's homage to the.
Hey kings and queens, welcome back to the channel. It's the girl Anique. How y'all doing or whatever? How y'all doing or whatever? Hey. Hey kings and queens, welcome back to the channel. It's the girl Anique here on Anique Budgets. I'm shaking the table. Way too early, y'all. Please calm down. But y'all, it is day 2 of the Vlogmas. I am coming, baby. I know it's only day 2, but I'm coming in hot, okay? It's day 2 of Vlogmas, and today we are doing our cash envelope stuffing. So, baby, if you have not, go ahead, get you your hot chocolate with your, your whipped cream on top. Baby, get you a cookie because it's Christmas, and sit back, relax, and enjoy the show. If this is your first time here, I hope you consider hitting that subscribe button because on here we do cash stuffing, as you see, budgeting, paying off debt, and minding our business, and not necessarily in that order, okay? So if you do, we would love to have you join the family. Click that subscribe button, and baby, y'all, turn on y'all notification bell because hello, it's daily that your girl will be posting these videos in the month of December for Vlogmas, okay? And also make sure you give this video a thumbs up if you do enjoy it, and then leave your 2 cents. What's that? Your comments down in the description. Well, down in the comment box below. Okay, so without further ado, because it's long, baby, let's get into the video. We is out here in these streets on these YouTube channels, so let's get it popping, okay? So the first thing we're gonna cash stuff is our sinking funds. I'm gonna start off with this baby, okay? So I'm gonna start off with my car maintenance. So my car maintenance right now has 20, 40, 60, 80, 100, 120, 130, 131, 132, and it's getting $10. And I'm gonna put my old $10 in there. So we'll put that. So now car maintenance has 20, 40, 60, 80, 100, 121, 31, 40, 41, and 42. So 142. And the goal for this, y'all, I didn't have to do my brakes change, but I know they got to be done soon, okay? And I didn't have to do a whole bunch of other things too. Watch my video on how I saved almost $1,000 if you want to see about that. But these expenses are coming up, so baby, we keeping well aware and track of car maintenance, and it is what it is. So that's that. Travel right now has 20, 25, 26, 27, 28, and 29. Baby, okay? Travel got used, girl. When I say used, come on now. She got used. So now Travel has 20, 40, 45, 46, 47, 48, and 49. I am building her up, okay? Because we do travel again out of town in a little bit. So, you know, we gotta get her together. So that is Travel. Next we have Christmas, which please go on somewhere. It's not necessarily Christmas's fault, baby. We just in December and Christmas is happening, and I bought majority of my gifts, so I'm almost done. So that's Christmas. Next is clothing, and clothing is gonna get a $5 bill. Right now it doesn't have anything, so we're gonna give clothing a $5 bill here. So put that. So that's 5 now in clothing. My birthday right now has 20, 40, 50, 55, and I'm gonna give her a $5 bill as well. So now my birthday has 20, 40, 50, 55, and 60. Ooh, my bestie's texting me. So yeah. So that's my birthday. She got $60, and she's coming slowly but surely. So excited for that. I'm planning my birthday. I don't know what I'm doing for my birthday, but you know, we saving the coins to make sure we can do what we want to do for the birthday. All right, so next is fam birthday, and right now family has 10 and 15, and she's getting a $5 bill. Okay, that's cute. All right, she's getting a $5 bill. So now fam birthday has 10, 15, and $20. Got $20 in here, and my next birthday coming up is in, well, 2 of my birthday coming up is in January, so that's why Fam's B-Day is getting, like, you know, getting her coins. But we like put some more in there, but you know, bear with me, bear with me. Okay, so next is 1 month ahead, and 1 month ahead has 50, 100, 121, 41, 61, 80. What did I say? 50, 100, 121, 41, 61, 80, 200, 240, 220, 240, 45, 46, and 47. So 247, and we're adding a $20 bill, which, okay. 247 with a $20 bill. So now 1 month ahead has 50, 100, 20, 40, 60, 80, 200, 20, 40, 60, 65, 66, and 67. So $267 is now in 1 month ahead, which means she can pay for 2 bills, maybe 3, maybe 4. She can pay for a lot. She can pay for a lot. Okay? So next is my emergency fund. And my emergency fund right now has $500 in the bank, which is what this is for. Then we have 50, 100, 120, and 130. So that's $630. And we are adding $30 to her. So that's a 20, and that's a 10. Okay, so that's $30. So this goes here. So right now, emergency fund has 500, 550, 600, 620, 640, 660, 650, and 660. So now emergency fund has $660 in there. Well, she almost had $700. Hello, baby step number 1, save $1,000. Come on, I'm coming through. I'm coming through. Okay, if we can go back in, that'll be great. Okay, if we can go back in. Okay, cool. So that was it for my sinking funds, baby. We large and in charge. Okay, and we fully stuffed and ready for the week, the month, and whatever else got to give. Okay, so now we are going to move on to my saving challenge. I do want to do that next. So I have 2 saving challenges. Let me move out the sinking funds binder. So I have 2 saving challenges. The first one is the 10 of a kind saving challenge, and then the second one over here is the 100 envelope saving challenge. So I'm going to start off with the 10 of a kind saving challenge. This is where you save 10 denominations, 10 of each denomination. So I do have prop money in here that is basically placeholders until I put the real money in here. Okay, if you've been watching for a while, you know that I've completed the 1s, the 5s, the 10s, and the 20s, and now your girl is in the big boy league. Okay, we're in the big bank league, which is the 100s and the 50s. Okay, so today we are going to be doing a $50 bill. We're going to take her out, and we are going to place her with our first real 50. First real 50, y'all. So that is what this is. So this is our first real 50. So that's 1, and we should have 9 50s left. So this is 50. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And this is all prop money, as well as the 100s are all prop money, child. Wait until we get there, child. Wait until we get there. You feel me? So, baby, all right, get onto it. So that's my first real 50, and we are good for the 10 of a kind saving challenge because we did what needed to be done. Okay, get onto her. So that's that, and that takes care of that saving challenge. So now we're gonna move on from baby girl over here. Okay, let's move. Now we're gonna move into my 100 envelope challenge, which I just put them, child, in this holder that I found off at Amazon. I will put the link down below if you are interested, baby. Get into it. I will provide the link down below, but I do have $20 to put in one of these lucky sections, and I have number 14, 15, 16, 17, and 19 to put the 20 in because I was like, you know what, it is what it is. And so I think I am going to do the next up, which is number 14, and that's where we're gonna put this $20 bill. So number 14 is getting stuff today. Okay, it's getting stuff today. Let's make sure this is all folded and good, and then we are gonna put that in number 14 slot. Put her in there, and then boom. Okay, so number 14 in the 100 envelope challenge is done, and that means that a lot of my numbers, I only have 15, 16, 18, 17. Okay, hold on now, hold on, back up, because I thought it was you know, I thought we were done, but apparently not. Like number 13 full, number 14 we just put in, so number 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 more to go before number 20. Number 20, hold on. Oh, number 20 full. Okay, 20 has something in there, but the rest of them, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19 don't have anything. So them that the next one. And so what I think for do, or what I'm thinking to do, is put $20 bills in all of them, in all of the 15, 16, 17, 18, and 19 for the entire, you know, next up. Because when we go 21, then we can start the actual numbers again. But yeah, so y'all, that's the plan. That's the whole plan, y'all. Alright, so the 100 envelope challenge is complete, and all of our saving challenge have been cash stuff. So we're gonna move again, little baby, well, over to the side. Okay, so last but not least, what we're stuffing is our everyday binder. This is the binder that you use when you need to get food, when you need to get gas, when you need to buy the knickknacks for the house. And this is called our cash envelope binder. So if you are new to the cash envelope system and this is your first time, baby, this is what this is. This basically is your everyday life, while my sinking funds binder is for the things that happen. Ooh, the book wanna go over, y'all, with the breakdown of stuff. While my sinking funds binder is things that are upcoming, kind of, right? So Christmas is upcoming. If I'm going on a travel trip, is upcoming. Christmas once a year, and at the end of the year, so you save throughout the year for this. Clothing, you know, you might need one after your birthday, family birthday, special things that you're saving for. So that's the main difference between sinking funds and cash envelope. If you are new to the cash envelope stuffing situation, that is what that is, the difference between them. So yeah, y'all, get into her because she's been doing well for me, and I hope she does well for you. Okay, so let's go on to the cash envelope stuffing. So the first thing is groceries, and groceries right now has $1 bill, and groceries is getting $200, which is these 200 right here. So that means that groceries is $201, which should last us for the next 2 weeks before we leave, because we are what, traveling, baby. We going out of country, baby. I don't know why I said it like that, but it is what it is. Okay, so that's groceries. Next is gas, which come on now, little shorty. Come on now, little shorty. Come on, wait, hold on, because I bought gas the other day. So let me see real quick. Let me see. Because I think I bought gas last night, or the other day, or yesterday, one of the days. But it wasn't too long ago. That's basically what I'm saying. So gas, really, girl, I know you got money in there, but is that really what it is? Is that really what it is? Let me see. See, you don't say, but I want to say it was like $28. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to take these $2 from, yeah, I'm just take these $2 from groceries and put them to the side, because I know those $2 like is what it's owed, because only of the 27 I paid like $2 of that. So so gas has 10 and 15 now that I took out the $2. So gas has 15, and I am going to add $80 to gas, because 80 at 10 and at 20. So I'm adding $80 to gas, and I'm adding this much because I started going back to the gym, and the gym is on the other side of town. And so because the gym is on the other side of town, child, more gas is going to be used. So gas now has 50, 70, 80, 90, and $95. And so hopefully that will be enough for the next couple of weeks. for gas purposes, right? So that is gas. Allowance gets $15, and that is a 10. And you know what, I'll take the 5 ones for this. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, she won't be lasting long. So I'm even gonna be mad. So it's, oh gosh, oh, wow, these are rough, y'all. So this is 10, 11, I can't even like slide the count, 12, 13, 14, and 15. Whew, $15 in allowance, but it's a good thing they don't take but 2 seconds to, you know, be spent. So that is allowance right there, so that's good. Next is toiletries. And toiletries right now has 20, 21, and 22, and they're getting a $5 bill. So now, come on, now toiletries has 20, 25, 26, and 27 in there. So let's put this right here, okay? So that is toiletries. Next is household. Household has 20, 30, and 35, and household is getting $15, which is a 10 and a $5 bill. So now household has 20, 30, 40, 45, and $50 in household, which is really good. It's really good because I just bought a whole bunch of stuff the other day, but there's always something that needs to be done for the household. And I think I said it before that my house needs to be power washed, so I might just use this to like get that done. Next, and should be final, is hair care, and hair care should be getting $60. It doesn't have anything now, so that's a 50 and a 10, so that is a $60 for hair care. So that is it. That is all, y'all. That is it. That is all. And then I have $5 in back to bank because the bank won't accept the $5, like the machine won't accept the $5, so that's why that's in there. And I'm adding this $2 from gas. I'm gonna switch it out with some $2 from somewhere because they're too cute to be thrown away like that. So I'm pretty sure there's some ugly $2 bills somewhere, you know, that needs $2, but I'm gonna do that later off camera. So, but hair care, and then the 5 that was already in the back to bank, and then these two makes 6 and 7. So now that is what back to bank has in there. But that is it, y'all. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope it gave you some insight. I hope you enjoyed the cast of them, baby, like getting so hard. Okay, if you did enjoy this video, don't forget again to hit that subscribe button. Don't forget to like the video. Put your 2 cents down in the comment box. Let me know. And if you got this far, put a flower, y'all. Put the flower that you're gonna see on the screen. But thank you guys so much for watching this video. This is Vlogmas Day 2. Okay? Vlogmas Day 2. And we are getting right up in it. Okay, girl? So, I will see you guys again tomorrow at 6:13 because, baby, we is given what needs to be given. Okay? Thank you guys so much for watching. My name is Anique, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!
How you wanna do it? How you wanna get it? I'm out that, out of my mind. Can't even talk, can't even walk. Bad little thing.